Tired of juggling multiple messaging apps for your business and feeling overwhelmed? Wati, a powerful WhatsApp business API solution, might be the answer, and today, we'll explore how you can potentially access it for free. Let's dive in. First, head over to Wati's official website. The address is Wati. Keep an eye out for options like free trial, free plan, or demo. These are your gateways to trying Wati without an initial payment. Next, navigate to their pricing page. While Wati primarily offers paid plans, sometimes they roll out limited free trials or even a freemium version with basic features. This page is where you'll find the most up-to-date information. Now, free trials usually come with limitations. Expect restrictions on the number of messages you can send, the number of users you can add, or the features available. Carefully review these limitations to ensure the trial lets you adequately test the platform for your needs. Next, play around. Experiment with Wati's key features. Set up automated replies, explore the team collaboration tools, and see how it simplifies your WhatsApp communication workflow. As you explore, make a list of your business requirements. Does Wati's free trial version or freemium plan effectively address your needs? Note what works well and what features you'd need from a paid plan to truly scale. Finally, by taking advantage of any free trial or freemium options, you'll be equipped to make an informed decision about whether Wati is the right solution for your business without spending a fortune upfront. Good luck and happy messaging.